Welcome to Touchpoints TV. I'm Debbie House, Editor-in-Chief of Retail Touchpoints, and I'm here at the NRF event with Michael DeBella, who's Head of Retail Marketing at ePlus Group A. Welcome, and thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
So I'm here to present Michael with an award for a Customer Engagement Award that you received in November, and we published a report, and I'm here to present you with the award and to find out just a little bit more information that you could share with our audience about the implementation. And first, though, could you just fill us in a little bit on ePlus Group A for anyone in our audience who might not be familiar with the company?
ePlus Group belongs to Telefonica. We were just recently bought by Telefonica. We have about 20 million customers in Germany and a turnover of 3 billion euros. And we really successfully introduced our cross-channel case with the help of OVC, which was a great partner for us, because they had really the ability to change the product very fast and agile on the demands of our customers, which is for me the most important part. And I also would like to thank you, Marcus, with D Group, because they always listened to our needs and much more important to the needs of the customers. And I have to say that cross-channel really fundamentally changed our sales process, because it's the first time that our sales staffs get real information about the sales history of the customers. And this is really necessary and crucial to make up and cross-selling. But for me, the most important point in that project was that it really brought the online channel and the offline channel together, because they both have huge advantages from cross-channel.
So you're finding that the customer experience has been improved with being able to implement these solutions?
And the customer is asking for that. The technology is there, they want to use it, and the people see a clear advantage from that solution, and so they use it. That's it.
And at the same time, the store associates who are working in the stores, they're able to do their jobs better.
Yes. So, and it helps them to make more sales. And it's really the first time that they see online as a friend, because it brings in more walk-ins, more quality walk-ins, because they have information about the customers, and that makes it easier to make an upsell.
All right, so is there anything else about the implementation that you would want to talk about? Any advice for any other retailers who might be thinking about this kind of solution?
I think the most important advice is really listen to your customer. This is not a new advice, but it's the most important. Yeah, it's worth saying again and again and again. So that's number one. And the second one, you have to bring the channels together. It's more about the process to bring the organizations together, and not only about to introduce the IT solution. So these are really the most important topics.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for
very
joining
much.
us today. Congratulations again on the award.
Thank you.